Okay, tell me if you're guilty of this. Have you ever put out a newsletter? Maybe you published a social post, you made a video, you wrote a blog post, maybe you designed a postcard, sent it out, then you kind of just forgot about it. It fell through the cracks and kept going. Well, here's the thing. The time, the money, the effort that you put into those marketing campaigns, how are you going to know if they're helping you grow that bigger, better business I'm always talking about if you're not measuring? That's right. If you're not measuring, you're not marketing. I'm going to show you some different ways to measure your marketing in just a second. Just recently we were working with a new franchise and we were talking to them about some of the different marketing campaigns and strategies they had used in the past. And so they started rattling off. This team had said, we did postcards, we did newspaper ads, we did pizza box toppers, we did, they advertised in a phone book. Still, they do that. Obviously, Google ads, Facebook ads, we've done email marketing, we've done social media, we do YouTube. My first question was, great, what worked? Crickets. Now I want you to think about this for a second. Whether you watch this video, you come to one of my classes, maybe you join the Bigger Better Biz community, which is completely free. Maybe you go to other people's classes, you listen to podcasts, you attend weekend-long events that are power sessions to amp you up. You put that time in. Then you're going to put the money into things. You might hire someone. You might have an employee do it. So you're taking basically overhead and putting it towards your marketing. All in all, you're spending time and money. You're putting it towards marketing and promoting your products and services. Is it working? How do you know? By measuring. Now, data analytics is not sexy. It's not something that most people go into business for. But I'm going to tell you, by looking at data and analytics, it's actually going to help you be a smarter marketer, to make better, more informed business decisions. And here are just a few of the different areas that you can look at in order to glean some marketing insights and figure out what's working. First off, Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a very powerful tool. It's a free tool that you can add to your website. Listen, we've been building websites for over 10 years. Every single website of the hundreds and hundreds of websites we've built has Google Analytics. It's a free tool. As long as you have a Google account, you can include it. All you do is take a little piece of code, you pop it into your website, and now Google Analytics will tell you about the user experience, where people came in, where they came from, what pages they go to, how long they spend on your site. You can even get into the nitty-gritty and you can start tracking events. Imagine this, someone goes on your page. Now they spend a minute. How do they get to the next page? Well, now we can track an event. We can actually see what they clicked on. So we can see what's working. This is the kind of stuff we need. We need to be consulting it to make better decisions. So Google Analytics is number one. Number two, most likely you have social media. Look at your social media insights. If you have a Facebook business page, they provide you with insights. They tell you, the demographics or the makeup of your audience. So they're telling you gender, they're telling you location. They're also telling you when your people are on. So they're showing when it's popular, when you should be posting and such. Instagram does something similar. YouTube has insights as well. If you're getting into YouTube and really grabbing on and holding on to the power of video, making it work for your brand, check out YouTube's insights as well. You can see how long people watch a video, where they left off. You can see where you grab people. Did they find you in Google search, YouTube search, on your website, through social media? You want to know one of my favorite places to look for analytics? It's actually in our email marketing program. So for us, we use Constant Contact. You might be using something different, and that's totally fine. Every email marketing platform offers you measurements, metrics, insights. You want to see how successful your campaign is, right? So a campaign is when you send out an email. Well, I can look at opens. I can see how many people were interested enough to open my email. I can look at clicks. I can see how many people actually clicked on my email. They actually had so much interest that they acted upon it. I can even see, if I tie in Google Analytics with my Constant Contact account, when someone clicks over on my website, now I have an idea, what did they do? They came from Constant Contact, now they're going to this page, they go to my reviews, my blog, they watch my videos, they check out my services, they fill out a contact form, they download something. So you see, they all work together. What I ultimately want you to do is figure out a few places that you can start looking at your insights. And when you're going through and creating your marketing campaigns, think about how you're going to measure the success. Now, in one of my other videos, and you'll see a little eye with a circle, should be right over here somewhere. That's a video all about setting SMART goals. When you create a new marketing campaign, when you're going to promote a new product, create SMART goals. Then you're going to use tools like I just mentioned, Google Analytics, your social media, YouTube, email marketing like Constant Contact. You're going to look at those different tools to figure out, did you actually achieve that goal? Was this promotion, was this campaign that you used worthwhile? Did it bring a return on investment, ROI? For every $1 you put in, what do you get out? So I want you to think about that. Always be measuring, because again, if you're not measuring, you're not marketing. So start measuring. Until next time, stay well, stay healthy, stay happy. Here's to your success.